Hello learners, welcome back to your education channel Learn and Educate. In that we will continue the definition part, section 2, subsection 19AA. Demerger. Demerger in relation to a company means the transfer pursuant to the scheme of arrangement under section 391 to 394 of the Companies Act 1956 by a demerged company of its one or more undertakings to any resulting company in such a manner that the transfer of scheme pursuant to the scheme of arrangement, and now the new Companies Act 2013 has been incorporated, and the provisions of Companies Act 2013 relating to arrangement will apply. Clause 1. All Subclause 1. All the property of the undertaking being which transferred by the demerged company immediately before the demerger becomes the property immediately before the demerger, it becomes the property of the resulting company by virtue of demerger. By virtue of demerger, the property of the resulting company shall become the property of the resulting company. Subclause 2. All the liabilities relating to the undertaking which is transferred by the demerged company immediately before the demerger becomes the liabilities of the resulting company by virtue of demerger. Subclause 3. The property and the liabilities of the undertaking or undertakings which is being the transferred by the demerged company at the values appearing in its books of accounts immediately before the demerger. Subclause 4. The resulting company issues in consideration of the demerger its shares to the shareholders of the demerged company on a proportionate basis, except where the resulting company itself is a shareholder of the demerged company. Except where the resulting company is already a shareholder of the demerged company, but the shares will be allotted to the shareholders of the demerged company in proportionate basis. Fifth, the shareholder is holding not less than a three-fourth in the value of the shares in the demerged company, other than those shares already held therein, shall immediately before the demerger or by a nominee for the resulting company or its subsidiary becomes the shareholder of the resulting company by virtue of the demerger. The shareholder who are holding not less than three-fourths in the value of shares of the demerged company, then they shall become the shareholder of the resulting companies by virtue of the demerger only. Become shareholder of the resulting company or companies by virtue of demerger otherwise than as a result of the acquisition of the property or the assets of the demerged company or by an undertaking of it by the resulting company. Sixth, the transfer of the undertaking is on the going concern basis. The transfer of the undertaking is on the going concern basis. The demerged company is in accordance with the conditions, if any, notified under section 7 to a subsection 5 by the central government in this behalf.